Hello everyone, welcome to our DSK channel. So today we will talk about some really important stuff if you are planning to buy a CNG car. Now, as we all know that there are two manufacturers which currently offer factory fitted CNG in the Indian car market. One is Maruti Suzuki India Limited, another one is the Hyundai Motor. So I will tell my personal experience first, so that you can get the real life idea or the genuine user review which will help you immensely in buying a perfect CNG vehicle for you. So initially I decided to go with the WagonR CNG, but after visiting the showroom I found that the WagonR CNG LXI optional model was not available, which comes with a dual airbag. So and the waiting period was for this optional LXI model was quite high. So I decided to go to a Hyundai showroom and to check out for the some other alternate options. So I found that Hyundai Sports CNG Sports was quite a nice option according to my budget. So, and the fit and finish of the vehicle was quite awesome. Like you will get this factory fitted infotainment system with touchscreen display, then the central locking, remote keyless entry, all the basic features of comfort and convenience you will get as a factory fitted options in Santro Sports CNG. And on the opposite, this WagonR CNG comes only in the LXI trim variant, which is a very naked option. Like you have to fit in some basic accessories into it, and which will cost you around 70 to 80k rupees extra, and the fit and finish of the vehicle will not be at par with the factory fitment, as you all know. So finally we decided to go with the Santro Sports CNG variant, and and after that all the story started. Now within 15 to 20 days the horn started showing malfunction. I was driving through the traffic and the horn suddenly stopped. Like when I visited the showroom for the same, they told that it's a simple coupler issue or some wiring issue. They were also a bit confused, but finally they repaired the thing, and then I was okay. Like I thought, okay, it might be some minor issue. I came with the vehicle to home, and then within again 5 to 7 days again the same problem recurred. Okay, so up to this point still that was manageable. Now the real problem started when I started driving the vehicle on the highways. As is a CNG vehicle, my running was quite high. So what I found, like while taking like steep turnings or like steep slopes, when I need some real throttle or like power, then the vehicle started to show some kind of the smoothness was lacking. Like when I was revving the engine hard, but there was no output of power, there was no transmission optimization. So initially I thought, okay, this might be new vehicle, servicing is pending, so that for that reason only the performance might not be optimum. But suddenly after another 7 to 10 days, what I started observing is that the engine malfunction light is coming. So after that time only I was really surprised why. Then I started thinking, why in a new vehicle like this engine malfunction lights should be coming. I visited the service center, communicated with the service center. They told like but sir, it is more or less normal only in CNG vehicles. Then I asked them why it is normal. Then they were telling like this is very common in the BS6 models, like in the Aura CNG, Neo CNG, and the Sports Santro CNG as well. Then I thought, okay, let's dig the facts out, and I started searching what exactly is the issue with this particular vehicles, because I was very sure that there is some technical glitch in the engine performance and the overall performance of the vehicle. And I'm not mentioning here about the unnecessary chassis noise and the dashboard noise that was coming, and those Hyundai guys were also not able to find out what is exactly wrong with the particular chassis. So what I would like to suggest you is that, and like share my experience, is that these Hyundai CNG vehicles are not factory fitted as they claim. The Hyundai CNG is basically managed by some other third-party company like CEV Engineering Limited. They install the CNG kit once the vehicle is manufactured by the Hyundai, and they hand over the same to the CEV Engineering. So if you are an automotive enthusiast, or if you have a little bit of technical know-how, you will easily catch that this particular CNG kit is an aftermarket installation. This is not exactly what a factory fitted CNG vehicle should look like. The fit and finish and the overall harnessing of the kit is very much aftermarket type. So what goes wrong with this particular vehicles is that tuning of the CNG ECU with the vehicle original ECU is not optimal. All the Hyundai guys can do is the software optimization, but the performance, the overall performance and the chassis tuning with the CNG kit is very much poor. So numerous times I have faced issues like chassis noise, and then driving dynamics also sometimes gets hampered. They will do the engine tuning, but that will not help you out to get a smooth performance. So I was somehow managing with the vehicle. Somehow I consoled myself, okay, what has happened, let's bear with it. Let's drive the vehicle as much as I can, so as to because CNG vehicle my running is high, so I was continuing with the same. But suddenly after 1 month of users with this suboptimal performance, suddenly I came across an issue that while I was driving I found some rattling noise coming near the steering column. So I was quite apprehensive what exactly is going wrong. Then I visited the showroom. They were also little bit annoyed or surprised, I don't know. They took a test drive, and then the mechanic himself was telling, sir, this is a pure manufacturing defect, you talk to the my superior. Then I went inside to the service manager. Then they were telling sir, it's a manufacturing defect. Since your vehicle is under warranty, we will cover you up, so you need not pay anything. We will escalate the issue to the Hyundai authority. But after that I came from the showroom. Till date I haven't received even a single email reply, not even a single conversation from those guys. So what I have found is that the performance and the after sale service of the Hyundai is really pathetic. So if you and finally I decided to sell the vehicle off within 5 months itself. And I was really disappointed and frustrated with my buying decision. Probably if I had gone with the WagonR CNG, I would not have incurred so much of financial losses as well. So if you are planning to buy a CNG car, please check out other options as well, and keep in mind the facts which I have mentioned about Hyundai CNG. So if you are really planning to buy a factory fitted one, go with the Maruti Suzuki CNG variants. The performance, the driving dynamics and the chassis and the engine optimization of the vehicle is very much optimized and the far superior than what Hyundai offer. So this is not something like brand endorsement or to defame somebody. This is just a pure based on pure user experience and the based on pure user review. So just check it out, you will find the difference yourself. Don't waste your hard-earned money in Hyundai CNG cars. You will regret, as I have regretted. And this is just to share my personal experience, so that you don't go through the same bitter experience as I have went through. So thank you everyone. If you have any queries, any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section.